Hello dear students, welcome to this class of BA part first. I am Dr. S.S. Vedwan, Department of English. And dear students, today we'll discuss some short questions regarding the play The Merchant of Venice, written by the famous playwright William Shakespeare. So let us talk about these short questions which are often asked in your uh, examinations, and they are very important from the point of view of examination, and we should know the minute details about the play. These questions, they will reveal the minute details about the play. So let us take the first question. When was Shakespeare born and when did he die? The answer is Shakespeare was born on April 23rd, 1564, and he died on April 23rd, 1616. Shakespeare was born at Stratford-on-Avon. Shakespeare is also known as the Bard of Avon. He belongs to the Elizabethan age or the Elizabethan period because Queen Elizabeth was the monarch of England at that time. The second question, what type of play is The Merchant of Venice? And the answer is, it is a romantic comedy. A comedy arouses laughter. A romantic comedy is a story of a young man and a young woman who fall in love with each other. They marry at the end of the play and live happily ever after. And the episodes, they also make us laugh. So, The Merchant of Venice is a romantic comedy. Who does the title of this play refer to? The title, that is The Merchant of Venice, refers to the central character of the play, Antonio. Who is Bassanio and what does he want from Antonio? The answer is Bassanio is Antonio's close friend and he wants 3000 ducats from Antonio because he wanted to go to meet Portia, the lady whom he loved, and for this purpose he wanted to go to Belmont, the place where Portia lived. Antonio doesn't give him money because his money had been invested in trade and he did not have any cash with him. Antonio helps Bassanio to borrow money from a moneylender in the meantime. Who is Shylock? Shylock is a Jew who lends money on a very high rate of interest. Antonio hates Shylock because Shylock was a Jew and Antonio a Christian. At the same time, Antonio did not like Shylock lending money at a very high rate of interest. So that is why they had a hatred. Why does Shylock agree to lend money to Antonio? Shylock felt that he could now insult Antonio. Shylock says that Antonio will have to repay the money, that is the 3000 ducats, within 3 months, failing which he would take away a pound of flesh from near his heart. Next question, how does Portia refer to the caskets? And the answer is, Portia is not happy with the caskets because she doesn't have any freedom in choosing her husband as she liked Bassanio because of the conditions laid down by her father, and that is why she was not happy with this condition. Next question, what are the conditions laid by the father? Portia's father gave 3 caskets of gold, silver and lead to her. He hid a portrait of Portia in one of them. A man who wanted to marry Portia had to choose the right casket which contained Portia's portrait. The next condition was that the person on choosing a wrong casket would not tell others about the casket which he had opened. And the third condition was that the man who failed in pointing out the correct casket would remain a bachelor for the whole life. The purpose of the suitors was to judge the best character. Which of the caskets has the inscriptions, "Who chooses me shall gain what many men desire"? It was written on the gold casket because gold is desired by all. The choice of the gold casket by the Prince of Morocco shows outward shine was more important for him than anything else. Next question. What was the inscription on the silver casket? The inscription on the silver casket said, "Who chooses me shall get as much as he deserves." Next question. What was the motto on the lead casket? The motto on the lead casket said, "Who chooses me shall give and hazard all he has." Next question. Which casket is chosen by Bassanio? Dear students, Bassanio chose the lead casket. The lead casket appeals to him because of its plainness, so he chooses the lead casket, and it was the lead casket that contained the portrait of Portia. Next question. Who is Jessica? Jessica is Shylock's daughter, and she is in love with Lorenzo, who is a Christian. What is the importance of Jessica's episode in the play? The Jessica Lorenzo episode joins the two main plots, the two main stories of the play. Next question. Why does Bassanio reject the gold casket? Bassanio thinks that the difference between appearance and reality, he feels that outward appearance is always deceptive. So he rejects the gold casket. Next question. Why does Shylock become so adamant? Shylock did not want to lose his opportunity. Now he wanted to grab this opportunity of taking revenge upon Antonio. So he becomes adamant. Next question. How does Portia help in solving the case? Portia, she disguises herself as a lawyer and goes to Venice to sort out the case. Portia says that Shylock would take 1 pound of flesh from near Antonio's heart, but in the process he must not shed even a single drop of blood. Next question. When Portia says that there is no power that can change the terms of the bond, what does Shylock say? And the answer is, Shylock is very happy because he feels as if a Daniel himself has come to give justice. Next question. Although Shylock is ready to do business with Christians, yet he doesn't do 3 things with them. What are these 3 things? And the answer is, Shylock is not ready to eat, drink or pray with Christians. Next question. What is Shylock's reaction to this? Shylock is shocked and confused. He gets ready to accept only 3,000 ducats without any interest. What punishment was given to Shylock? Shylock's half property is to be given to Antonio and the other half is to be given to the state. At the same time, he was to become a Christian. Next question. What gift does Portia, the judge, demand from Bassanio? Dear students, this is very important because it leads to the ring episode. Portia, the judge, wanted Bassanio to part with her ring, the same ring which she had given him earlier. Next question. What is the importance of the trial scene? And dear students, the trial scene is very important in the play. The trial scene makes the good victorious and the bad are defeated. The tragedy also turns into comedy and it reveals the intelligence of Portia. Next question. What is the good news given by Portia at the end of the play? Portia declares that all the ships of Antonio have come back safely and he has not lost his business. Next question. How many women characters are there in the play? Dear students, there are 3 women characters in the play. They are Portia, Nerissa and Jessica. I hope you have understood these questions, and in your examinations they will help you. So read them thoroughly and revise them and write a good answer. Thank you very much.